Let's learn another 30 words together. 3000 words, lesson 11, vocabulary. Guess. I guess it will cost more. Original, originally, origin. I originally meant it differently. Sell, sold, sold. Have you sold it yet? Cinema. Let's go to the cinema on Sunday. Adjust, adjustable, adjustment. Hand me the adjustable wrench. Juice. She prefers fresh juices. Trip, business trip. I will be on a business trip on Friday. Win, won, won. Winner. Winner takes it all. Old. How old is he? Mineral. I'd like a bottle of mineral water. Hand. Hand me the phone, please. Sad. Don't be so sad. Back. Back up. He will always back her up. Oil. Add some olive oil. Recipe. Could you send me the recipe for that cake? Chance. No chance. Give it a chance. Nervous. She makes me feel nervous. Specific. Specifically. Specify. It was a very specific project. Then. Tom is taller than John. Environment. Environmental. He is engaged in environmental protection. Adult. I feel like an adult. Hours. Our garden needs a lot of work. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Don't forget to close the door. Just. He has just left. Just a moment, please. Regarding. She feels good regarding her studies. Salad. How about a salad for lunch? Unfair. That would be unfair. Meet. What kind of meat is this? Bake. I don't bake for Christmas. Exact. Exactly. That's not exactly what I mean.